iCertis is the leading provider of enterprise solutions in the Microsoft Cloud. One of our products is Contract Lifecycle Management. The second product is Transportation Management. In fact, we are the only company in the world who delivers people, cargo, and fleet management on a single platform on the Microsoft Cloud. In 2012, iCertis partnered with Prasanna Purple, a leading private operator of public transport in India. Prasanna Purple was looking for a solution that would allow them to increase their efficiency in fleet management as well as their operational costs, and we had the perfect solution for them.
Prasanna Purple Mobility Solutions is a growing company, and we are in public transport at multiple locations. Across the country, scenario is public transport has not been looked upon as a very good mode of transport. Even today, most of the cities, they keep their inventory manually. So that has made them highly inefficient. To change this scene, central government is funding such projects for cities to adopt modern city bus transportation. And that is where public-private partnership is taking place in multiple cities. In first phase, government gave about 14,000 buses to 65 identified cities, which amounted to something like 20,000 crores. So there is huge potential for companies like us to grow and expand in public transportation. Private operators being small, they are not really very technology savvy or professionally managed companies, and that is why IT plays a vital role in growth of public transport.
iCertis Public Transport Management System is a set of comprehensive capabilities built on Windows Azure, which includes planning and optimization, operations, fleet management and maintenance, and passenger information system, which helps providers leverage it as a complete operating platform.
iCertis Public Transport Management was built ground up as a cloud-native application on the Windows Azure platform. We chose Windows Azure so that we can go to market faster and our customers can benefit from the great return on investment and quick time to market and deployment.
iCertis Public Transportation System we chose because it is faster to implement, it is highly scalable, and third, it is charged on per user basis. To bring in operational efficiencies, what we require is real-time data which gets consolidated from all our hardware like electronic ticketing machine, GPS, then inventory, then maintenance of the fleet. iCertis takes care of all these issues which are very operationally important to make this system efficient.
iCertis system does a comprehensive analysis of the fuel consumption by vehicle, driver, route, time of the day. This can help Purple reduce the fuel expenses by 2 to 4%.
From customer perspective, it is very important that they also get information at the right time. For example, at what time their bus is arriving on bus stop, and if they want to plan their own route, is it possible?
Purple can now plan schedules that are more aligned to commuter needs. For example, more frequency during the peak hour. Infotainment is another big factor to help enhance the passenger experience. Passengers now can access city bus schedules on all devices, get alerts on mobiles. All of this is expected to deliver 10% revenue improvements for Prasanna Purple.
iCertis is cloud-based solution, wherein we are not expected to invest much on our hardware. It will add tremendous value in terms of reduction in our cost and earning higher revenues by 5 to 10%.
Companies like Prasanna Purple find this very easy because the cloud gives them unique advantages for a fantastic return on investment where CapEx is lower and OpEx is directly tied to their return on investment. iCertis Public Transport Management, built from the ground up on Windows Azure, is a perfect illustration of how cloud computing is changing the face of an important sector like public transport in India.